This is Mike from Custom Cruisers. Okay, we've got a beautiful thing here, Barnett Scorpion clutch, lock-up clutch. Okay, but in this particular case, we're going to use this Barnett basket. You can see here, beautiful CNC basket. Okay, comes complete with all the bolts, with a recluse. Okay, this recluse is a fully automatic clutch, ideal for disabled people, people who basically blown the original Harley one up. Very, very strong, often used for motocrossing in the past. But basically this is a fully automatic clutch that will fit into the Barnett or the original clutch basket. I do advise you, if you have got a Milwaukee or a twin cam, to do away with that bloody automatic tension. This is what's causing 4 times last week we had to sell the full kit. It took the clutch basket out, the compensator snapped in 3 places. Okay, so it is a massive, massive issue. The quality of some of this Harley Davidson compensator stuff in the 07 up twin cams and the Milwaukee 8 is definitely a big issue. Just look online, don't just take my word for it. The reason is the stock compensator, primary chain adjuster ratchets up. This is a spring loaded one. Okay, so this will basically have springs underneath and a shim pack if you want to make it stronger, and will move up and down and keep your chain perfectly tensioned all the time, as opposed to the stock one, which once a bit of tension is found, it will ratchet up, and it will ratchet up again and ratchet up again, but it will not let it back. So that is a massive issue you've got, causing all these damage to your primaries on these bikes. Okay, Evo system perfect, fully manual as well. Basically, if you're interested in great upgrades like this, give us a call, 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site, customcruisers.eu. Thank you.